What's up guys, Terex and Mr. God right here. Now, if you've been a long subscriber of the channel, you know how I always talk about the fact that sometimes it's not about what you use, it's about how you use it. But also what you use is also really important. And today with me I have here the Mackie Chromium, the Chromium by Mackie Chromium, however it is that you want to call it. And this is a premium USB condenser microphone that actually has a built-in 2-channel mixer in it. So this is going to be really interesting to use, test, and recommend for you guys. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick unboxing to show you what actually comes in the box and the first impressions review. Alright, so and let's dive right straight into it. But before we actually do, thank you so much to Mackie for actually sending this over for me to check out and a lot more stuff. Okay, so I'm going to leave affiliate links right down in the description box right down below, so you can actually go pick one of these for yourselves and all other Mackie stuff. Be sure to hit the subscribe button right down below so you don't miss it each time I drop a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up because it's really going to help the algorithm to help a lot more people looking for videos like this to actually find it, and it's also going to help me to get a lot more stuff like this to cover on the channel. And while you're down there, want to pick yourself one of Jade Black's Lucid frames or any other frames that you want to, polarized, prescribed, however you want to customize it, it's all right there for you guys. Okay, you can actually pick one of these for yourself at a really affordable price. Also, you can actually get a discount if you use my code right down below. So I'm going to leave the link right there with the discount code. You can actually go check it out. Without further ado, let's dive right straight into this unboxing.
Alright guys, so welcome to this, and as you can see, I got the box right here and there is no plastic wrap, so we're just gonna dive right straight into this. But very first, just like I mentioned before, this is a premium condenser microphone that has a built-in 2-way channel inside of it, so that's gonna be really interesting for test out. And this is more like a full studio right here for you on the go that you can actually just use. And we do have a little bit of what the microphone does look like inside over here on the box. And right here we have some other sort of things, and I just want to show you guys one more quick thing around the box is we do have some sort of description right here that does show a lot of things, so you might want to just take a look at that and just, you know, use that as a sort of reference point. If you do not want to read the manual, you can just go over this and it's just going to give you a quick rundown of some of the things that you might actually just expect. Now moving on real quick, just to open this up, and you're going to see what we have right inside. And now that we got this open, the first thing that we're greeted with is a manual as always. But like I said, just try your very best to look at this. If you don't want to, then just use that reference point on the box, just like I mentioned. And then we do get 2 cards here, and with this you can actually get your waveform OEM, and you can also get Pro Tools with this. So nice kudos right there to Mackie for actually including this, and you might want to just keep those cards and just use them in the future. Next we have the Type-C cable. Now I'm really excited that they didn't just put micro USB with this, that it does come with Type-C, because this is again a USB interface. Latency is going to be something that's going to be really important for you. And we have the microphone itself, and I'm just going to take it out and then take all this plastic off of it, and then we're going to see what it looks like. And there we have it guys, looking really good, looking really sturdy. Right from first, I like the weight though, it does feel really nice. And right up on the front here we do see a mute switch, and you have your pattern selector right here. Really nice feedback from all the buttons, feels really strong. And over there you do have your gain settings right here. I like the brushed metal up on the top, but it doesn't feel way too strong, but the body itself does feel actually really strong right there. You do get an adjustable stand right here with the microphone. You can't take it off, so that's sort of like a disadvantage right there. And it does feel a little bit wobbly, almost like something isn't screwed on completely tight, but that's something I'm gonna have to check for the full review. Up on the back right there you do have the Type-C and also an instrument port right there. Like I said, this is more like a full studio right here for you, so you can plug in your headphones, an instrument or something, and you can just record right up on there straight. Right here on the bottom we do have all of the buttons, individual buttons for every single thing right there, for your headphone jack, your instrument, and every single thing right there. All feel really good, all feel really solid. So that's about it guys. I did post this on Instagram, and because I'm already using it right now, and as soon as I did, I got a lot of requests with people asking me if they can actually make full-fledged music and songs with this. And honestly, in the full review I'm gonna let you guys know. Okay, if you're one of those people that want to see this, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna see you around.
Alright, so there we have it guys. Really nice, really cool, really nice. Tell me what you think in the comment section right down below. If there's something specific that you want me to check out for this microphone, just let me know. I'm gonna test this, I'm gonna use it for as long as I can. I'm gonna do voiceovers, I'm gonna, you know, do the whole thing. If I can actually make a full song, I will definitely make a full song with it, because I really love making a full song when I test out a microphone, as you can see from the other microphones I've actually used before. Okay, now this is actually propped up on my table somewhere, if you can see it right there, because I'm already using it. So like I said, from that, just let me know what you want to see in the comment section right down below. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Stay safe.